Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is February 12th, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. What I'm going to show you right now is what I think is probably the best indicator in the market. And no, it's not a MACD, it's not an RSI, and no, it's not a stochastic oscillator. What it is just a simple bank stock, and it's Deutsche Bank. Right now, what you're going to see here is that this red candle and green candles represent Deutsche Bank's stock price today. The stock gapped up nicely, has faded a little bit from the open, and then you see it's starting to try to tick up a little bit from this little level. Now, if you take a look at this black line that I have drawn in here, you're going to see that this is the S&P 500. This is the spiders. And what you're going to notice is that this little down move right here, this little hook, comes right as Deutsche Bank starts to move higher. So in other words, the market right now is following these European bank stocks. It's also following oil very, very closely. So a lot of times when traders are looking at stochastics and looking at other things, really what they should be paying attention to is what is the market leader. And the market leader right now is Deutsche Bank and the rest of these European financial stocks. And if these stocks tick up higher, yes, the S&P will probably go higher. If these stocks start to move lower, the S&P will start to move lower. Look how this black line just carves out everything next to these red and green candles. This is a pretty uncanny resemblance, and what you're going to see is that the market is following Deutsche Bank. Now, why would it be following Deutsche Bank? That's the million-dollar question. Simple answer is that negative interest rates are kicking in Europe, and that's really what the world is waiting to see. How are these banks going to handle the stresses? How are they going to go about their business with negative interest rates if that does occur? And that's what the market seems to be concerned and worried about at this point in time. So what you'll see here, Deutsche Bank starting to move higher. Look at the hook over here on the S&P spiders starting to move right up, following that almost tick for tick. So again, if you're looking for the best indicator right now, traders should be watching Deutsche Bank. This is going to be, this is probably the most important European bank stock. And again, this is telling us exactly what the market is doing. So keep that on the radar. Deutsche Bank is probably one of the best indicators right now in the market. With that being said, everybody, if you want to come alongside and trade alongside of us, come over, take that 7-day free trial to the Research Center or our intraday stock chat. You can trade right along with us all day long. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it there, short and sweet. Have a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.